Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel, and today, ayan, at may nabili ulit tayong, kinatanggap ulit tayong parcel, guys. Alam nyo na. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel, and today, ayan, so, may papakita ulit tayo at i-unboxing yung naipili kong order, guys. Ayan, ang liit lang niya, guys. It's a Hot Wheels, guys. Di naman to surprise, so naka-fried child pa siya, guys. So in order ko to, guys, sa TikTok shop. Sa TikTok shop, guys, napakamura, guys, sa TikTok. Binili ko to, guys, nasa wala pang 100 pesos. Napakamura sa TikTok, guys. So bili na kayo. Sa kayo bumili sa mall na ganung price, nasa 100 plus pag bumili kayo sa mall at iba pa. So, ngayon, buksan natin siya. May bubble wrap pa ito. Mga pisitahin. Ayan. Yan. Ayan. So, naka-bubble wrap pa siya at meron siyang sorter box. So, kunin ko, guys, yung stand ko. Ayan, guys, nahihila ko na siya. May sorter box siya, guys. So, napakaganda. Shaw. Ayan, guys. Meron siya, guys, para hindi mag-damage. So, yan. Alright. Cool. I got Hot Wheels, guys. Ayan. Ayan, nakabili tayo ng Hot Wheels. Ito yung ito says ATL Camino Hot Wheels. Ayan. Solid, guys. So, napakaganda. Nakabili tayo. Ayan. So, go back in time with these favorites from the 1980s. Guys, ang ganda. Yan. Saka na pa siya. Limited lifetime warranty. Guaranteed for life. Solid, guys. So, 1980 El Camino. Kulay green siya, guys. Yan, Hot Wheels, the 80s. 80 siya, 3 out of 10. Ang ganda, guys. Solid. Napakaganda. It's made from Mattel, syempre. Digit, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ganda, guys. So, that's it, guys. Sa baba, wala yan. 80 Chevy El Camino kalagay. Right. So, dito nagtatapos yung ating video, guys. So, if you like this video, guys, so leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. Please subscribe, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.